In this video, I will show you how to see comments history on a YouTube video in a browser. Go to www.youtube.com in a web browser on your computer. Click on the three horizontal lines. It's at the top left corner of the page. Then click History on the menu. Click Comments on the right panel. It's under the History type header. Click on a comment to go to the video. Your comments will be highlighted on top. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.